Welcome to instafollower.com. Today we will talk about our Twitter font generator. Twitter font generator tool is an online utility specially designed for users to enhance their tweets' visual appeal by generating text in various unique and eye-catching font styles. This tool offers a simple and common way to transform ordinary text into visually engaging and attention-grabbing content. With the Twitter font generator tool, users can choose from a wide range of font styles, including fancy fonts, metal fonts, girly fonts, robot fonts, punk fonts, and more. And using the Twitter font generator is a simple process. First, go to Instafollower site and find your Twitter font generator. Once you access the tool, write your text or copy and paste your tweets. And next, explore various font styles and select the font style that catches your eye. After selecting the font style, click on the copy button and paste the converted text directly into your Twitter post, bio, reply, or any other design location on Twitter. As you can see, it is that simple. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.